Wir haben ihn geschoben. Greif mich nicht an.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're crazy!
A group of road users were clashing in the center of the street. The biker immediately stepped in, working to prevent it from getting worse.
Bırak ulan! Abi yapma. Sakin ol abi. Abi ne yapıyorsunuz mübarek günde? Sakin olun.
Getirin lan, silah getirin lan! Vurma! Sakin! Herkes sakin olsun. Tamam, dağılın. Yok bir şey. Sakin.
Hayda.
Think this was small? What's next is even more dangerous. Watch till the end. A driver stopped in the middle of the road. The bikers tried pushing the car forward, and things quickly got worse than anyone expected.
Ist stehen geblieben. Wir haben ihn geschoben. Greif mich nicht an. Wir haben ihn geschoben. Du kannst rumfahren. Das war, weil du mich angemacht hast. Überleg dir genau, zu wem du das zeigst.
With so many bikers, things could have gone worse, but they kept the situation calm. It started in light traffic. A lady driver suddenly cut in from the right, and that's when things heated up.
What are you doing, you nutter? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're crazy! You're crazy! Oh, you're going on YouTube, love! You're lunatic! Fuck you.
A biker parks outside a taco spot just for a quick bite. But when he steps out, someone's already messing with his bike.
Yo, what you doing, bro?
This yours?
Yeah.
I was checking it out, man.
Who are you?
My name's Eddie. What's up?
Nah, don't be hopping on my bike, bro.
I heard it was like a traditional.
Nah,
thing,
who the
like,
f are you? Don't be hopping on my bike, homie.
What started as a simple mistake quickly turns into full-blown chaos.
Don't be hopping on my bike.
Why not? I was looking.
Bro, don't be hopping on my bike. Who the you, homie. Don't be
Yo, it's all good. Hey.
you. Don't be.
I quit.
Let's go. That. Don't be hopping on my bike. Homie just hopped on my bike for no. Who the is that? Hey, you, homie. Don't be hopping on people's bikes.
Never touch someone else's stuff without permission, especially a biker's ride. These guys take their bikes very seriously. The biker was just riding normally down the street when a random guy stopped him and complained he was going too fast. And after that, well, things took a turn. Watch what happened next.
Dude, I'm doing like 20 miles an hour. Chill the f out, bro. We're neighbors. You need to calm down. It's Saturday. Look how beautiful it is. You're washing your car. Chill, dude. I've been here since 05. It's off, bro. God, dude. Karen ass. God, dude. Oh.
The biker was calm at first, but the moment that guy sprayed him in the face, everything changed.
Come here. You spray me with that spray. You
gonna rev up?
I'm gonna your face. Here you go.
Let's call this off.
Do what you gotta do.
Do what I gotta do?
You sprayed me in the face with chemicals. He sprayed me in my eyes with that. I got it on camera. So take that punch and don't ever do that again.
This is water, dude.
That is chemicals. I smell it, dude. You sprayed me in my face. He sprayed me in my face.
After all that chaos and anger, he walked back, let it go, and shook hands.
All right. Yeah, dude, I'm cool.
Okay.
All right.
Can you do me a favor?
What?
Keep it under 10.
Don't tell me how to ride, dude. I'm not gonna listen to that.
The speed limit is 10 miles.
Bro, I was doing 10. It seems fast because I'm loud. Bro, I stopped right here. Dude, don't start it over. Don't start it over. Shake on it like you wanted to. All right.
A furious lady driver confronted the bikers, accusing them of reckless riding, and the moment she spoke, things got heated fast.
It's a bad reputation. No, it better not. No, you did good. And actually, there was another one that did good too. And I made sure CHP knew their driver's license. But you were a asshole.
What did I do? What do you mean?
Hauling ass through cars and traffic. I know bikes.
You said you're a speed demon yourself, so don't be a...
Yes, but I drive respectfully because my goddamn kids and grandkids are on this road. I've already watched a head get decapitated when he went around a corner too fast and his head was still laying in his goddamn helmet.
Okay, well don't profile now.
I'm not profiling.
Yeah, you are. Lady, you just said you love speed. Don't get attention.
Yes, on dirt, sand, and elsewhere where I'm not putting other people's lives in danger other than my own.
I'm recording all this shit. You appreciate your input, though, babe?
A cyclist suddenly cut across the road, and one biker almost crashed. Seconds later, anger took over, and the street turned into a fight. At first, everything looked normal, but moments later, the fight began.
We're doing the speed limit here. You stupid cunts are cutting across the road, cutting people off.
They're turning into
You want to have a go at people? Keep out of the
place to
road.
park.
What?
You've just assaulted me. That's a legal place for them to
No,
pull
because
in.
you've run out on the road trying to assault me while I'm
Did
trying
you
to
see the
drive
guy that's...
legally at the speed
You've
limit.
just assaulted me.
You stupid cunts are cutting
You've
across
just
the
assaulted
street
me
in
and
front
you've
of
got a camera of
vehicles.
assault.
I've got it on film. I've got
You
you running
punched
out
me in the
abusing
face.
us as well. Stop.
Really?
Stop being a stupid. Go.
Don't you be a stupid fuck.
I'll assault you again in a sec. Off.
You won't take your helmet off.
Why?
Because you get dropped if you take your helmet off.
And see about that, you stupid.
Don't worry about it.
I've got it all on camera and you...
It could have gotten way worse, but more cyclists rushed in and stopped the fight before it escalated. The biker was riding in his own lane, but the lady driver was on a phone call and drifting, and that's when everything exploded.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're on your phone and you were swerving. Get off your phone. Stupid. On a phone and a swerve right through me. Idiot.
Maybe she realized her mistake, so she just stood there quietly, saying nothing. He moved after the red light, and suddenly, a car pulled right in front of him. And what happened next? Just watch.
What are you doing, you The are you doing? The are you doing?
If you made it this far, thank you. Hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't go yet, tap the video on your screen. You're gonna love that one too.